C Plus electrolyte drink, pila po dito.
Created by Damos. So, meron kami na mobile roulette system generated. You have to be careful. And the winner is Rectangle Dips number 20. Number 16, 1-6, yes! There you go, sir. Lakyan sa raffle. Nakakadalawa na ba sila yung panay? 2 out of 3. Okay, dito muna. Ako na magsisi. Sorry, wala pa lang yung 80. Oh, kay Elmer pala yan. So, wait. Thank you, man. Thank you. 44 yan. 7-4, wala. 7-4. By the way, we want to wish Ines and everyone racing in Taupo a good luck. Leaving tonight. So, volunteers, how about a round of applause for everyone who went today? Thank you. Giving the microphone.
Please continue to invite your friends. We have until January 25 for the registration.
Pacific Day, we have Sulto and Hyperice and all the sponsors on behalf of NBC, Miss Angela Mapa over here, Ines Santiago, Chiquire saying thank you for sharing us your Sunday and continue